Okay, shake your booty. Shake your booty. Let me sit. Sissy, what do you think of that? Sissy, you have some crazy hair. Look at this hair. Hi, gorgeous. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi. Oh. Hi. She's about 45 minutes. Good? I think so. Look at that hair. Oh my goodness, crazy hair, huh? Are you getting tired yet? I think she's tired yet. Where are you going? Is that yummy? Can you do a somersault? What about shaking your booty? Do a jumping jack? Oh my goodness. Careful, don't fall down. What you got there? Is that a book? Is that a peekaboo book? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oh! And we see the inside of her mouth. Oh! Say bye-bye! Jeremiah, say bye-bye!